Well, we're taking a cruise in the Polera right now. It's Sunday morning, and going down 3rd Avenue in Chula Vista. We're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee we have every Sunday, and I decided to get this one and take it down there. I haven't taken this car in a long time, maybe 3 years since I drove this car down there. So we're headed that way right now and see what kind of crowd we have going.
Hey!
Good morning. Say hello to the camera, Bob.
You got your camera, cool, man. Take a picture when the cop stops you.
That's right. It's all on camera.
But he says,
Hi, Mama.
Patina, arrested.
That's the way to do it.
Ahí entras.
You're good. All right, check this one out. This is a 1960 Buick LeSabre convertible. Ah, 60 Buick right there. I thought it was a 59. It's a 60. Here's the gentleman that owns it right here. And this thing is immaculate. This thing is originally all awesome. This thing is so nice. I think it's one of the best looking examples I've ever seen of this car. This car is awesome. Oh, it's a nail head. ¿Qué motor es? Well, it's a nail head. I don't know what motor it is, but this thing is awesome.
tuvimos carritos viejitos.
All right, check this out, guys. This is a 1977. It's called, well, it's a Mexican 77. It's called Hormiga, which means ant. And it was made ¿Dónde se hizo?
Perdón,
¿Dónde fue hecha?
en Puebla, México.
It was made in Puebla, Mexico.
Viene de Guanajuato.
And it came from Guanajuato, and the owner's right there, so I told him I'd take a quick video of it. But this isn't an hormiga, it's called an ant. And I don't know, I've never seen one of these before, but it's a neat little truck. Exported from Mexico. And this guy owns a few of these VWs, so I thought I'd take a quick video of it.
Y le dije y vino mi cuñado y estábamos ahí.
Okay.
Y me dice el camarada, hey, te doy 5 ahorita.
That little girl. Get a kid, get a kid. Can I pick the ticket?
Not that one.
Okay, ready?
Different kid, different kid. Come on, kid. Read my number.
08 to what?
Read it out loud. 652-758. 652-758.
What's the name? Not even
What's
close.
the name?
Oh my God,
652-758.
So I got 653.
Enrique.
Enrique!
I know. Congratulations. Right. You want to go?
Yeah.
Oh, so are you going to San Diego Harley?
What's going on in San Diego, Harley?
Where you know music and all that?
Right now?
At noon. Starts at
I'll
noon.
probably cruise out there.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys. Well, this is what happens every Saturday or Sunday morning. Just a big crowd of people with cars, having fun, enjoying. We got good-looking ladies here that ride bikes. Good-looking ladies that win the raffle every weekend. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. I appreciate you. And people are still crowding over my car. All right, have a good weekend. Be safe. See you next time.